In this set of video tutorial, we are going to learn a couple of more formulas like COUNTIF and SUMIF, and in which scenarios these are really useful. So specifically talking about our case study, let's look at the overall employees. There are 19 in number and they are divided into various departments: marketing, IT, finance, support, and likewise they come from different genders, male, female, and they have different salaries as such. Now let's say if we want to answer these kind of questions, what is the total salary of marketing professionals? Now if this is the question that we are kind of looking at, what we will have to do if we are doing it in a traditional way would be to sum total all the marketing employees' salaries and do it mechanically. So I mean, that's obviously easy choice to do, but when you are dealing with large data, it will be really close to impossible to do it mechanically. So in that way, it will be very easy if you are using some functions with an if command. Likewise, you remember if we had earlier used if function, we were doing the certain calculations with some kind of conditions. Now what we need to really now do here is to sum total the salaries with a condition that only choose the marketing professionals. So that's how you can apply these set of formulas. So we'll learn all these formulas now. So the two functions which we will be dealing with now would be COUNTIF and SUMIF. Now these two commands are really easy if you know how to apply if function. Let me apply this in our case. So let's calculate the following: total number of employees in each department, and we should also try to calculate the total salary in each department. So there are various kinds of departments. One is, I should write that down, marketing, IT, finance, support. These are the four departments which we have in this table, and we can also try to calculate the salary drawn and the total number of employees who are male and how many of them are female. So what we will do is we'll use COUNTIF function and SUMIF function to do the desired tasks. So let us now first and foremost calculate the total number of employees. So for this, let us use the COUNTIF function. So as we have seen for other set of formulas, we need to start with equal to, and we will type COUNTIF with a bracket open. The moment we do that, you can see the syntax that needs to be given for COUNTIF. It asks for two things. One is the range and the second one is the criteria. So where is the range on which we need to find the total number of employees? The range would be the marketing, IT, finance. This column would be the range. So I have taken from the top till the very bottom. And what exactly is the criteria? The criteria is that select the marketing guys. So I can give criteria in two ways. One is if I can type this manually by writing marketing and within inverted commas and bracket closed. So what will happen is this Excel will provide me with the total number of marketing employees by using this COUNTIF. So it's only counting when the department is marketing, otherwise it leaves it. So as I told you, there are two ways of doing it. One, we can write this under inverted commas, or second, we can delete this and we can directly choose the one which we have written in this cell, which is cell C30. That is the criteria.